So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to deposit money into your account here on EQ Bank. So a couple different ways you guys can do this. First and foremost, if you have a check that you want to deposit on the main screen here, go to the bottom right, press deposit. Then you can deposit a check this way, type in the amount, select the account, take a photo of the front and the back, press deposit, and that's the simplest way if you have a check to deposit money. Now, if you don't have a check, you want to transfer money, go to where it says transfer, sort of on that bottom tab as well. And then at the bottom it says deposit money. Go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this page where there's a bunch of different ways you can deposit money. You can do it from another bank, direct deposit, e-transfer, check deposit, which we just went over. So you can go ahead and select any of these methods right here. Follow the steps and you can ultimately add money this way and deposit it into your account. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to deposit money on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.